as you came here, look.
No.
Just then.
You have to do it in the bodies. If you want to keep treating me.
I'll get the shovel. Look at the bleach.
So you're in Boston when this all took place back behind?
Yes.
What's your business there?
I was seeing a patient, Jimmy Levins.
A real patient? Unlike her? I mean, is the female you say you saw on the thing?